What's up guys, welcome back to Healthy Recipe. Today we're going to be making an authentic Cuban black bean recipe, just like I ate growing up my whole life. And the first thing we're going to do actually today is we're going to go right out to the garden and pick our own heirloom cachucha pepper seeds. These seeds have been in my family since 1994. They are an heirloom variety that has been used in traditional Cuban cooking for probably 100 years. They make sofrito taste absolutely amazing. So let's get right to the yard and pick some peppers. All right guys, so these are the Cuban ají cachucha peppers right here. And these guys are an essential part of making Cuban black beans and also many other dishes in the Caribbean. They are also used in Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, and all over the Caribbean as a seasoning pepper. They're incredibly flavorful, kind of like a Scotch bonnet without the heat. They're fruity, super tasty, and we're gonna pick some off of this plant and we're gonna use them to season our black beans. They're not hot. They're under probably around, if you eat the placenta, they might have close to maybe 500 Scoville, so 1/10 as hot as a jalapeno, but that's it, no heat, it's all flavor. And they are incredibly useful for sofrito, and they have a unique flavor that they add to many dishes. I will have seeds for these for sale in our Etsy store very soon. Check on this video on the links, or check on the description on our videos, and I will offer you guys seeds for these. You can grow these both indoors and outdoors, so you don't need a huge garden to grow them. You can grow them in a pot inside, and then you can have delicious seasoning peppers all year to make many of your dishes. Okay, so here's what we have for ingredients. I have about 6 or 7 cachucha peppers here that I minced real fine with the seeds and everything on. These don't really have any heat, so you don't have to worry about the seeds or the placenta. It's all very flavorful. We just chop everything up really fine for flavor, and it smells absolutely amazing. I have Himalayan sea salt for flavor. About 3 big cloves of finely minced garlic and 2 bay leaves. And we're doing a modern take on this recipe to speed things up. So we're going to be using 3 cans of organic black beans. This particular brand is from Aldi's, but you can use whatever organic black beans or black beans that you like. I have about a ½ cup of minced red onion. You could also use white onion for this. I'm using cumin seeds, whole cumin, and this is what I remember my mom using growing up. And the whole seeds, and she would just toast them in the beginning of the recipes, and the whole house would smell incredibly fragrant. But you could also use powder if you don't have seeds. I have this product in my Amazon store, so if you guys want to purchase it there, there'll be a link provided in the comments and also the video description. I have olive oil for sauteing and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So that's basically all the ingredients we're going to be using. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start to work on the aromatics. Alright, so now on a medium-high stovetop, we're going to add about a ½ tablespoon of olive oil. Now to that, we're going to add our minced onion. About a ½ teaspoon of cumin seed. Our minced garlic. And we're just gonna let that sweat for about 2 to 3 minutes until the onions become translucent. Before that, actually, we're going to go ahead and add in our peppers. We're going to let all that mixture cook together for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so now that we let that sweat for 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and add in our black beans. And because these black beans are organic, all they have is water and salt. So we use the entire thing, the liquid that comes with them. It's just water and sea salt. No chemicals, nothing in there. I'm gonna give it a quick stir. Add in our 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Our bay leaves. And the bay leaves get taken out. We're gonna let this cook for about 20 minutes or so on medium heat, 250 to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll probably add a little bit of water because this will cook down. So in the same can that the beans were in, I'm actually going to add about a half cup of water. And this will all cook down. And then as a final touch, we'll add a little bit of salt to taste. So we'll come back in about 20 minutes and see what they look like. Alright guys, so our black beans are ready and I'm just serving them over brown basmati rice. It smells amazing, and I'm gonna pair this up with my favorite current salad, which is a green papaya salad. But you guys can serve this with whatever thing you like, or you could just eat it like this. This is really delicious, loaded with fiber, protein, and all kinds of nutrients. So now I have a beautiful green papaya salad that I just made. I'm gonna put this right on the side. Some fresh tomatoes, onions. It's acidic, it's got some nice lime, citrus, fresh squeezed in there. This is a really, really tasty dish. I've been eating this a few times a week here in my house. The papaya salad is actually gonna be up, the recipe, so I'll provide a link for that too. So there it is. There is my Cuban authentic black beans over rice. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you really soon on the next one. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and dig right in. Get some of that rice and beans. See if I can get a little bit of the salad on there. Give it a taste. Wow. The black beans are really delicious. I can taste those peppers in there. I mean, it really adds an amazing taste. You can do this with bell peppers, but these peppers are on another level of flavor. The first thing I taste, I can taste the cumin. I get the zestiness from the salad. The tomatoes, it complements the beans perfectly. Really crunchy with the salad and the beans. Amazing recipe.